Morning and thanks for watching this video from Douglas Sports in Huddersfield. So here we have another TT. So this is a 2 litre petrol. It's finished in Mauritius blue, which I think is a gorgeous colour for these cars, and it makes a nice change from silver and black. So the video, as with all our videos, is really just to see car in the flesh without having to actually come and visit us. There is a lot of photos and descriptions on the advert, but this is just more for anyone who's not local. So the wheels are all unmarked and it's got the upgraded genuine 18-inch alloys. It's only got 2 former keepers, this car, which is quite rare for a car of this age. We've got both sets of keys with it. It's got full service history, and the last service was a cambelt and water pump service, so you don't need to worry about that. As with all our cars, the HPI motor check clear. We always provide a report with them, and everything always goes through our workshop, and we also do the report for that as well, saying what we've done, what we think may need doing in the future. So it's a standard car. Be sold with 12 months MOT like all our cars are. We can offer part exchange, warranty and finance as well. We have got a consumer credit license, so we can deal with any finance company. So if you have a finance company you prefer to work with, we're happy to work with them. As always, if you've got any questions, just give us a ring, drop us an email. If you want to come down and have a look, just let us know. We do viewing by appointments. We'll have the kettle on and you can spend as long as you want looking around and having a look at the car. Thanks for watching.